Welcome to our new Retail Razor Show Data Plates, our new standalone Retail Razor Show where we talk real-world numbers and slice through measurable consumer insights based on research at the point of sale. And bringing us the slicing and dicing of data is Georgina Nelson, CEO of TruRating.
TruRating helps retailers hear directly from validated shoppers daily, and recently hit a major milestone of 500 million responses. Retailers using TruRating averaged an 80% response rate on questions asked, made possible by asking a single rotating question directly on the POS pin pad, making it a seamless part of the shopper's checkout experience.
TruRating also works with their retail partners to develop consumer insights reports by running questions on an industry topic or theme. These anonymous responses are linked to metrics such as basket size and repeat visits to produce industry-changing insights like the ones Georgina will share with us today and raise our data blades. I'm your host, Ricardo Belmar.
And I'm your co-host, Casey Golden. Welcome, Georgina.
Thank you so much for having me.
So today's Retail Razor Data Blades segment is how rising prices are impacting shopper habits. Georgina, give us the data.
Well, last time we chatted, we discussed how over 81% of consumers who we polled across our markets, and that was over 170,000 shoppers, had been noticing the pinch on the cost of living. So 81% were noticing. But then we thought, how is that actually impacting behavior? What changes are people making in light of that? And how is that affecting retailers? So we asked whether people were driving less or more as a result. And we found that 63% of consumers in the US said they were driving less because of the rising gas prices. We also found out that 60% were cooking more at home, so eating out less. And 74% were using a list when they went shopping, which is a big increase on the previous times which we've asked that. And academic research shows that generally consumers spend 15% less when they have a list. It's that discipline and keeping to it.
Interesting.
Yes. So it's really become clear to us that when it comes down to discretionary spend, big ticket items, consumers are definitely being more careful. They're shopping around more. They're making less frequent trips when they're going by public transport. And that means that the retailers who are in urban areas, where there's a great public transport network, aren't at such a disadvantage.
So, Georgina, I know retailers and consumers alike have been feeling the burden of inflation for quite a few months now. I'm certainly shopping around more and being a lot more considerate about where I choose to spend my hard-earned dollars. Is it pretty much all doom and gloom until inflation winds down? Or is there some upside here for retailers?
I think there's a definite upside. When you think of that consumer shopping around, that opens a whole world of opportunity. You've got new consumers coming through your door and you've got a chance to woo and turn them. And so this is a great opportunity to win new loyalty with incredible customer experience, targeted marketing and comms, and build that loyalty fan base.
I think there's something to say when in any type of recession or inflation or any type of point when the economy is taking that pinch, those consumers that continue to shop with you, they're really top of mind, as the brand is really top of mind for them. And it's pretty important as you go into like a different economy to see where those customers end up flushing out overall, I would assume.
Yeah, 100%. And I think it's around understanding what makes that customer loyal. What are they affiliating with your brand? What products are they purchasing? And really getting into that deeper level of customer insight and analytics. I think as we look to how a lot of our retailers are fighting the inflation and the pinch on wallet spend, it's really focusing down on, as I said, that element of customer experience, but training the store cashier to actually be a brand ambassador. How can they promote recommendations? How can they promote upsell? And even simple things we found that, like, such as asking a customer their name in some of these fashion environments, etc., when that consultative sale really helps, we've seen that drive average basket spend by over 30%.
Wow.
Likewise, if a customer makes if a cashier makes a recommendation. So all these simple things which a retailer can take and train the teams and then see the impact down at a store level are key.
Well, it all comes back to that experience, doesn't it? Well, there we have another edition of the Retail Razor Data Blades.
I'm listening for the cool segment music right now. If you enjoyed our show, please consider giving us a 5-star rating and review on Apple Podcasts and Good Pods. Remember to smash that subscribe button in your favorite podcast player and tune in on YouTube so you don't miss a minute. I'm your co-host, Casey Golden.
Please share your feedback with us on Twitter at KCCGolden, Ricardo_Belmar, and at Retail Razor, or find us on LinkedIn, Threads, and Instagram. For the best highlights from each episode shipped straight to your inbox, subscribe to our Substack newsletter for full episode transcripts and bonus content. I'm your host, Ricardo Belmar.
Thanks for joining us.
Until next time, keep cutting through the clutter and stay sharp. This is the Retail Razor Data Blades.